You know us men, we always want the biggest and best package. And now we have it. You can win this brand new 2024 Ford Transit Custom, fully loaded with Dewalt Tools for just £6.97. Here is your command vehicle ready for dominating the worksite battlefield, loaded with an arsenal of Dewalt Tools. Never go to war empty-handed, so here's your war chest. We have our tough system storage unit, table saw stand and rolling table, a trimmer router, a plunge saw, an angle grinder, an impactor, a laser, a compressor, a 4-port battery charger, and a radio. This van, loaded with those tools, and that's your warhorse. Lead the charge and take no prisoners. Get across onto the website, get your ticket spot, and for £6.97, it'll be all yours.